students. Welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 9, chapter 2, unit 1, equations. We start with problems leading to simultaneous equations. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 2 and the denominator by 1, it becomes 1. Again, if the numerator is decreased by 4 and the denominator by 2, it becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. Let x by y be the required fraction, which we have to find out. So, by the question, here the numerator of a fraction is, numerator means x, is increased by 2. So, numerator x increased by 2, x plus 2. Denominator, so y by 1. Denominator increased by 1. So, y plus 1 is equal to, it becomes 1, is equal to 1, one equation. Same way, again if the numerator is decreased by 4, numerator means x decreased by 4. Denominator by 2, y minus 2, it becomes 1 by 2. X plus 2 increased by 2 and increased by 1, so y plus 1. Here, thus, x plus 2 is equal to y plus 1. 1 into y plus 1, so y plus 1. X minus 4, so here, x minus 4 into 2, 2x minus 8 is equal to y minus 2 into 1. So, y minus 2. So, instead of x plus 2 is equal to y plus 1, write x minus y is equal to 1 minus 2. So, minus 1. 2x minus y minus 2 plus 8. So, 6. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. By subtracting equation number 2 from 1, x minus y is equal to minus 1, 2x minus y is equal to 6. Minus plus minus. Cancel. X minus 2x minus x minus 7. So, x is equal to 7. Put the value of x into equation 1. So, 7 minus y is equal to minus 1. So, minus 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 8. So, y is equal to 8. So, required fraction is x by y. So, 7 by 8. X by y. Put the value of x and y. So, 7 by 8. Next, the age of a man is 3 times the age of a man is 3 times the sum of the ages of his 2 sons. And 5 years hence his age will be double the sum of their ages. Find the present age of the man. Consider x years be the present age of the man and sum of the present ages of the 2 sons taken as y years. So the condition is here, the age of a man means x. 3 times the sum of these ages of his 2 sons. 2 sons is sum of the ages, so y, and 3 times. So x is equal to 3y. And 5 years hence his age will be double. Age will be double. The sum of their ages. Find the present age. After 5 years, so x plus 5. Same way, son's age y plus 5 plus 5 it is equal to 2 into double. His age will be double the sum of their ages. Find the present age of the man. So, x is equal to 3y. Put the value of x into this equation, equation number 2. So, 3y plus 5 is equal to 2 into y plus 10. So, 3y plus 5, 2y plus 20. 3y minus 2y, 20 minus 5y is equal to 15. So, x is equal to 3y. Put the value of 5, 15. 3 into 15, 15 3s are 45. Hence, the present age of the man is 45 years. Not man, man is 45 years. Because we have considered x years be the present age of the man. So, x is equal to 45. Answer is 45 years. Next. A number consists of three digit, of which the middle one is 0, and the sum of the other digit is 9. The number formed by interchanging the first and the third digit is more than the original number by 297. Find the number. Here, number is 3-digit number. The number consists of 3 digits. So 100x plus y. When 2 digits, then 10x plus y is used. Here 3 digit means 100x plus y used. We have sum of the other digit is x plus y is equal to 9 because the middle one is 0. So third digit is 0. So we write x plus y is equal to 9. Now 100y plus x, 100y, because the number formed by interchanging the first and third digit is more than the original number. So 100y plus x is equal to 100x plus y. Original number is 100x plus y plus more than the original by 297. So 100y minus y. Here 100y minus y plus x minus 100x is equal to 297. 99y minus 99x is equal to 297. So 99 minus 99 common, x minus y is equal to 297. So we will get 99 into x minus y is equal to minus 297. 297. Here x minus y is equal to minus 297 divided by 99. So 99 3s are 297. So minus 3. Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So x plus y is equal to 9. X minus y minus 3. So 2x 12. X is equal to 9 minus 3 here. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So x plus y is equal to 9. Put the value of x 3, y 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 3. Y is equal to 9 minus 3. Y is equal to 6. Now put the x and y. 100x plus y. So 100 into 3 plus 6. 300 plus 6. So answer is 306. Answer is 306. Here I have put up certain questions that you need to solve by yourself. So let's be ready and do it by yourself. These are the questions. Now, the next topic is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. In equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where x is a variable, a, b, c are constant with a not equal to 0 is called quadratic equation or equation of the second degree. When b is equal to 0, the equation is called pure quadratic equations. When b not equal to 0, the equation is called an affected quadratic. Here, 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the example of quadratic equation because the degree is 2. Same way, x square minus x is equal to 0. 5x square minus 6x minus 3 is equal to 0. The value of the variable, say, x is called the root of the equation. A quadratic equation has got two roots. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Minus b minus here one root is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and second one is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Sum and product of the roots. Sum of roots minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. C means constant term divided by coefficient of x square. How to construct a quadratic equation? For the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we can write divide by x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0. So x square minus b upon a x plus c upon a is equal to 0. Minus b upon a is sum of roots and c upon a is product of the roots. Remember it. X square minus sum of the roots minus b by a plus into x plus product of the root c by a is equal to 0. X is equal to nature of the roots. Means roots becomes real, equal, unequal, imaginary. So nature of the roots. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, here the roots are real and equal. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus 0 upon 2a. So it becomes minus b upon 2a, real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Or distinct. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. These 3 points, you have to remember it and use it whenever needed. If b square minus 4ac is a perfect square, the roots are real, rational and unequal. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0 but not a perfect square, the roots are real, irrational and unequal. B square minus 4ac discriminates the roots. B square minus 4ac is called the discriminant in the equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, as it actually discriminates between the roots. Note, irrational root occur in conjugate pairs, that is, if m plus root n is a root, then m minus root n is the other root of the same equation. If one root is reciprocal to the other root, then their product is 1. And so c by a is equal to 1. So c is equal to a. If one root is equal to the other root but opposite in sign, their sum is equal to 0. And so b by a is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0. Now solve the example. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Compared with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 6. So x square 6 will take multiplication of first term and third last term. So x square 6x square 6x square 3 2s are 6. Take two terms, which addition becomes minus 5x and multiplication becomes 6x square. So minus 2x minus 3x. So minus 2x minus 3x minus 5x and 3 2s are 6x square. So instead of minus 5x, write minus 2x minus 3x. So x common, x minus 2 minus 3 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 or 3. Now second method, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 6. So write the root of x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here value of b is equal to minus 5 plus or minus minus 5 square is equal to 25 minus 4ac. 4 into a 1 and 6 24 by 2. So 5 plus or minus under root 1 upon 2. So 5 plus or minus 1 by 2. So one answer is 5 plus 1 by 2 and one root is, and second one is 5 minus 1 by 2. So 5 plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2 and another is 4 by 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So x is equal to 3 and 2. Now next example. Examine the nature of the roots of the following equations. Here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 given. So x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. So quadratic equation is given. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 8, C is equal to 16. Now take B square minus 4AC. So minus 8 square minus 4 into 1 into 16. C. So 8 square 64 minus 64 is equal to 0. The roots are real and equal because condition is B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. At that time, roots are real and equal. Second one is 3x square minus 8x plus 4 is equal to 0. So A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 8 and C is equal to 4. B square minus 4AC. So minus 8 square minus 4. A3, C4. So 64 minus 48 is equal to 16. Here B square minus 4AC greater than 0. And 16 is perfect square of 4 square. So perfect square of 4. 16 is a perfect square of 4. So perfect square. So the roots are real, rational and unequal. Now the next one is 5x square minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac, here a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 2. So minus 4 square minus 4 into a 5 and c 2. 16 minus 40, so minus 24. So minus here b square minus 4ac less than 0. Minus 24 is less than 0. So the roots are here negative sign or less than 0. So imaginary and unequal. The roots are imaginary and unequal. Now next one is 2x square minus 6x minus 3 is equal to 0. So A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 6, C is equal to minus 3. So B square minus 4AC minus 6 square minus 4AC 4 into 2C minus 3. Here result is 36 plus 24 is equal to 60 greater than 0. Here b square minus 4ac greater than 0, but 60 is not a perfect square. So the roots are real and unequal because b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square. The roots are real, irrational and unequal. Next, illustrations. If alpha and beta be the roots of x square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0, find the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta whole square and alpha minus beta whole square. Solution is, now sum of the roots of the required equation. Find the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta whole square plus and alpha minus beta whole square. Take alpha plus beta square plus alpha minus beta square. So alpha plus beta minus 7 square plus alpha plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta. Here alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 7, C is equal to 12. So put the value of B and A, minus 7 by 1. So minus 7. Alpha minus beta whole square. Here alpha minus beta whole square. So alpha square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. In terms of alpha plus beta square, we can write alpha square plus 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta plus beta square. Alpha square plus 2 alpha beta and beta square. So we can write alpha plus beta whole square, alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Put the value of alpha plus beta, value of alpha plus beta is minus 7. So 49 plus minus 7 square minus 4 alpha into beta is equal to C by A. Here C by A means 12 by 1. So answer is 12. Alpha into beta 12. So 4 into 12. 49 plus 49 minus 40. 12 4 is 48. So answer is 98 minus 48 is equal to 50. Product of the roots of the required equation is equal to alpha plus beta square, alpha minus beta whole square. So 49, 49 minus 48 is equal to 49. Because 49, 49 minus 48, so 1, so is equal to 49. Hence the required equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. So here we take the sum of the products, sum of the roots, and here the product of the roots. So x square minus 50x plus 49 is equal to 0 is required equation. Now, next one is if alpha beta, the roots of 2x square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the value of alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Here a is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to minus 1. Alpha plus beta is equal to, equation is sum of the roots, equation is minus B upon A. So minus 4, A means 2. 2 2s are 4. And product of the roots alpha into beta. So C upon A. C minus 1, A is 2. So answer is minus 1 by 2 and alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Here alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. So is equal to take LCM. So alpha cube plus beta cube upon alpha into beta. Instead of alpha cube plus beta cube, we can write alpha plus beta cube whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta upon alpha into beta. Convert this form into alpha plus beta and alpha into beta form. So we can easily put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So 2 cube minus 3 alpha into beta is minus 1 by 2 into alpha plus beta is 2. Divide by product of roots alpha into beta. So minus 1 by 2. So answer is 2 cube 8 plus 2 to cancel 3 minus 1 2 multiplication 8 plus 3 11 into 2 minus 1. So answer is minus 22. Now the next one is solve x 4 raised to x minus 3 into 2 raised to x plus 2 plus 2 raised to 5 is equal to 0. So here 4 raised to x is given. So we can write 2 raised to x whole square, 2 raised to x square. So x into 2x, 2 raised to x square minus 3 into 2 raised to x. Here we can write 4 is 2 raised to square x minus 3 into 2 raised to x 2 square plus 2 raised to 5 is equal to 0. So 2x square 2 minus 3 into 2 raised to x 2 square plus 2 raised to 5 is equal to 0. Here 2 raised to x square minus 2 to the 4 3 the 12 into 2 raised to x plus 2 to the 4 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. 32 is equal to 0. So here consider 2 raised to x is equal to y. So y square minus 12y plus 32 is equal to 0. This is the form of quadratic equation. So compared with ax square plus bx plus c or ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here y square minus 8y minus 4y plus 32 is equal to 0. So first and last, so 32y square multiplication of first and last term is 32y square. Now take minus, we required minus 12y. So 16 twos are also 32. But 16 minus 2, 14. 16 plus 2, 18. But we required 12. So 8 fours are 32. Minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. So minus 8y minus 4y. So y common, y minus 8 minus 4 common, y minus 8 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 8 and y is equal to 4. Now put the value of y 2 raised to x. 2 raised to x is equal to 8. Here 2 raised to x is equal to 2 cube. So x is equal to 3. Here 2 raised to x is equal to 4 is equal to 2 square. So x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. Next, x my solve x minus 1 upon x whole square plus 2 x plus 1 upon x is equal to 7 1 by 4. So 7 fours are 28 plus 1 29 by 4. Here instead of x minus 1 by x square we can write x minus 1 by x square is equal to x square minus 2x 1 by x plus 1 upon x square. So x square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square. In terms of plus, we can write x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square minus 4. So x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 4 plus 2 x plus 1 by x is equal to 29 by 4. Now consider p x plus 1 by x. So p square plus 2p minus 45 by 4. Here p square plus 2p is equal to 29 by 4 plus 4. 4 fours are 16. So 29 plus 16 by 4. So here we get minus 45 by 4 is equal to 0. So 4p square, 4 2s are 8p minus 45 is equal to 0. So 4p square plus 18p minus 10p. 18p minus 10p means 8p minus 45 is equal to 0 because 45 4 45 multiply with 4 180. So 180 part of 180 p square is equal to 18 tens because 18 minus 10, 18p, 10p. 18 into 10, 180, and 18 minus 10, so 8p. 18p minus 10p minus 45 is equal to 0. So 2p common, 2p in the bracket, 2p plus 9 minus 5 common, 2p plus 9 is equal to 0. So 2p minus 5 and 2p plus 9 is equal to 0. 2p plus 9 is equal to 0, so, or 2p minus 5 is equal to 0. So p is equal to minus 9 by 2 and p is equal to 5 by 2. Now, instead of p, write x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 9 by 2. X plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. So, the equation becomes 2x square plus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0. Or another equation becomes 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, b square minus x, take the roots of x. So, minus x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here b, value of b is minus 9. So value of b is here 9. 2x square plus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation 1. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 9 and C is equal to 2. Minus b, so minus 9 plus or minus under root of b square 81 minus 4ac 4 a2 c2 2 to the 4 for the 16 by 4. So minus 9 plus or minus 65 under root of 65 upon 4. Same way for equation 2x square minus 5x plus 2. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 2. Put the value of a, b and c. Minus b plus or minus under root 2 under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So the b is minus 5. So minus minus becomes 5 plus 5 plus or minus under root of 25 minus 16 means 9. So 5 plus or minus 25 minus 60 under root 9, 9, 3 by 4. 5 plus 3 by 4, 5 minus 3 by 4. 8 by 4, 4 2s are 8. 5 minus 3, 2 by 4, 2 2s are. So 2 and 1 by 2. Here comma is there. Now move to the next example. 2 raised to x minus 2 plus 2 raised to 3 minus x is equal to 3. Here we can write 2 raised to x, 2 raised to minus 2 plus 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to minus x is equal to 3. So 2 raised to x, 2 raised to minus 2, write in the denominator. So 2 square, it becomes 2 square plus 2 cube upon 2 raised to x is equal to 3. Consider, take t is equal to 2 raised to x. So t by 4 plus 8 by t is equal to 3. So t square plus 4 8s are 32, 12 t. So t square minus 12t plus 32 is equal to 0. Here 32 first term and last term 32t square. We require 12t. So 8 fours are 32. So minus 8t minus 4t. Instead of minus 12t, write minus 8t minus 4t. So t common t minus 8 minus 4 common t minus 8 is equal to 0. T minus 4, t minus 8 is equal to 0. So value of t is 4 or 8. For t is equal to 4, 2 raised to x is equal to 4, 2 square. So x is equal to 2. And t is equal to 8, 2 raised to x is equal to 8, 2 cube. So x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. If one root of the equation is 2 minus root 3, form the equation given that the roots are irrational. Other root is 2 plus under root 3. Sum of two roots. So first one is 2 minus root 3 and second one is 2 plus root 3. Root 3 cancel. 2 plus 2 answer is 4. So now product of roots. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Here a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square used. So 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And quadratic equation formula is x square minus sum of root into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. Here sum of roots is equal to 4. So x square minus 4x plus product of roots is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, if alpha beta are the two roots of the equation, x square minus px plus q is equal to 0, form the equation whose roots are alpha by beta and beta by alpha. Alpha beta are the roots of the equation x square minus px plus q is equal to 0. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus p is equal to p, because alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus p and c is equal to q. Minus b, so minus p upon a1, so p. And alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So c q by 1. So answer is Q for alpha into beta. Now, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to, take LCM and write alpha square plus beta square upon alpha beta. Instead of alpha square plus beta square, we can write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta upon alpha into beta, because we require the alpha plus beta and alpha into beta form. So instead of alpha square plus beta square, we write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So put the value alpha plus beta is p. P square minus alpha into beta is q. 2q by q. And alpha by beta into beta by alpha is equal to 1. Required equation is x square minus p square minus 2q by qx plus 1 is equal to 0. So qx square minus p square minus 2q bracket complete x plus q is equal to 0 is the equation. Next, if the roots of the equation p into q minus rx square plus q r minus px plus r into p minus q is equal to 0. are equal, show that 2 by q is equal to 1 upon p plus 1 upon r. Since the roots are given, roots of the given equations are equal, the discriminant must be 0. Q square r minus p square minus 4 a p q minus r and c r p minus q. Here a is equal to p q minus r. B is equal to q in the bracket r minus p and c is equal to r p minus q. Now take b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B. So q r minus p whole square. So q square r minus p square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So 4p q minus r into r p minus q is equal to 0. Now solve this equation. Q square r square plus q square p square minus 2q square rp minus 4pr in the bracket pq minus pr minus q square plus qr is equal to 0. P square q square plus q square r square plus 4p square r square 2q square pr or rp minus 4p square qr minus 4pq r square is equal to 0. Here pq plus qr minus 2rp square whole square is equal to 0. So pq plus qr is equal to 2pr. Now pq plus qr divided by 2pr is equal to 1. So pq by 2pr plus qr by 2pr. R cancel. Here p cancel. Q by 2 common p plus r upon pr is equal to 1. So 1 upon r plus 1 upon p is equal to 2 upon q. Now this lecture is over here. So see you soon and bye bye.